So we just got back from our date night. So fun. I washed my face and I'm getting ready for bed and I can't find my husband. So let's go find him. I just washed my face and he's nowhere to be found. So let's go find him. Come on, Wally, let's go find Daddy. Come on. Is he upstairs? Hey, Michael.
What?
Have you seen your dad?
What?
Have you seen your dad?
No.
Okay, let's see. Where's Dad? Hey, Matthew. Have you seen your dad?
No.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, let's see. There he is. So much for date night. And there you have it.